Ashoka the Great, Emperor of the Maurya Empire. Ashoka was born to Emperor Bindusara and his queen Subhadrani in 304 BC, in Pataliputra, the capital city of the Maurya Empire, which spanned much of modern-day India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Ashoka was the third ruler of the Maurya dynasty, following his grandfather Chandragupta Maurya and his father Bindusara. In his early life, Ashoka was known as a skilled warrior and administrator. He served as the viceroy of Takshashila, a city in modern-day Pakistan, and later became the governor of Ujjain in central India. Ashoka gained military experience through his campaigns in the Deccan Plateau, which brought many neighboring kingdoms under Mauryan control. However, it was during his campaign in the eastern region of Kalinga that Ashoka experienced a profound change of heart. The war was brutal, with tens of thousands of soldiers and civilians killed on both sides. Ashoka was deeply affected by the suffering he witnessed, and realized that the cost of war was too high. He began to question the morality of his conquests and the purpose of his rule. After the Kalinga War, Ashoka converted to Buddhism and became a devotee of the Buddhist teachings. He saw Buddhism as a way to promote peace and compassion in his kingdom, and adopted its principles of nonviolence, respect for all living beings, and universal brotherhood. Under Ashoka's new leadership, the Maurya Empire underwent a transformation. He implemented a series of edicts, carved onto pillars and rocks throughout the empire, that promoted ethical and moral conduct, religious tolerance, and social welfare. He built hospitals, schools, and other infrastructure to improve the lives of his people, and abolished many cruel and inhumane practices such as slavery and animal sacrifice. Ashoka also sent emissaries to spread Buddhism beyond India, to Sri Lanka, Southeast Asia, and even as far as Greece and Egypt. He sponsored Buddhist monks and nuns, and built many Buddhist monasteries and stupas throughout the empire. Ashoka's reign was marked by peace, harmony, and prosperity. He ruled justly and fairly, and his people respected him greatly. However, his reign was not without its challenges. He faced several rebellions, most notably in Taxila and Ujjain, which he crushed with a combination of diplomacy and military force. Ashoka ruled the Maurya Empire for 37 years, until his death in 232 BC. He was succeeded by his son, Kunala. Ashoka's legacy as a wise and just ruler has endured for centuries. His edicts continue to inspire people around the world to this day, and he remains one of the most celebrated and revered figures in Indian history. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the video.